Welcome to the end of 2025. We are on the cusp of going into 2026. Today is the last day of 2025, and everyone is thinking about what New Year's resolutions to make. I was inspired earlier today by a post that I read on LinkedIn by Ben Van Sprung, who is the founder of Ben AI. And here he has a framework on how he sets goals for the following year. Of different 9 categories, he selects only 2 so that he could be successful in these 2 categories. And he established this framework, which is a really great framework. So I was inspired to try this myself, but furthermore, to see if I could use MindStudio to automate this process for myself and others, whereby it will help me select only 2 categories and then enter goals for those 2 categories, and then give me a 30, 60, 90-day plan to help me succeed in the first quarter of next year with those 2 resolution goals. So I built myself an agent to do just that. Here, these are the same categories, but displayed in a different way. And it allows me to select up to 2 categories. If I try to select the third, I receive an error message, a cautionary note to only select 2 categories. So here, let's say that I want to select these 2 categories. And I select these 2 goals within these 2 categories. Now, if I had decided to change them to something else, like romance, and then gone back to categories, friends, then it still retains what I had entered, so that it gives me time to think about exactly what categories do I want, and then which goals in those categories, without losing what I may have entered. And now it is generating a 30, 60, 90-day plan for each of these 2 categories, and displays them for me in each, noticing how the category colors are being observed. And it gives me these great sections into how I can start practicing these goals to better meet them in the next quarter of next year. So I'm going to share this MindStudio agent with everyone. And note how I should have mentioned that I give kudos to Ben when, if I run this again, I provide a link here to his LinkedIn post. This is all his credit. I'm just automating this process using AI and hoping that it may help all of us, including myself, better meet goals that we want to meet in next year without overwhelming ourselves with too many goals. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Look for the remix link, and may we all have success in the year 2026. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found this video helpful.